Revv gives businesses the speed and brand consistency to make documents stand out. Professional documents, organized, shared, and e-signed. Customize any of thousands of vetted, pre-formatted business templates. Integrate with your CRM and payment apps. Connect to Google Sheets and work smarter with Revv's built-in machine learning. Revv is the all-in-one platform to manage proposals, quotes, contracts, and agreements. Join the thousands of businesses that use and love Revv. Not only are proposals very easy to create, but now they can be integrated with your Google Sheets with a live publishing link. Let's create a document and choose one of my proposal templates. We're going to add a link to a Google Sheet for our pricing details. So we'll drag over the link to Google Sheet block, and Google will ask for permission to link your Revv account. Then choose your Google Sheet. Within the sheet, you can choose a worksheet tab you want to link. I'll choose the Package 1 tab and click Sync Selected Sheet. And we'll customize the view of the sheet by adding the range displayed on our document. I just want to see A1 to E9 on this sheet, then click Sync again. Notice also that there's now a linked Google Sheet tab added to our proposal document for easy access. Within our Revv document, we have control of the Google Sheet, such as column visibility. With the Manage Columns button, we can decide which columns we want to show or hide. We can also adjust the column width as well, simply by dragging the separator between columns. We can even add multiple sheets to our document. Each sheet will have its own tab and can be updated at any time with the Refresh and Resync button. Google Sheets are used for many purposes such as financial data, analytical reports, and other data which may or may not involve calculations. You can continue to edit the data in the Google Sheet and simply link the final one, giving you all the flexibility of a spreadsheet while keeping all your documents together.